Good morning, students. I'm back with one another topic of Microsoft Excel, that is filtering the data. It's part one video. In this video, we will learn about how we can filter the data. So there are two ways in our daily life. We use those two ways. Suppose I am having a cup of tea and there is a malai over it. Then what will I do? I will put that malai at the corner of my cup and then drink my tea. And when you are drinking milk and there is a malai in your milk, you ask your mother, "Mom, please filter it." Then what will happen? Your mom filter it into another cup. So these are the two ways to filter the data. Let's see how it works. Filtering the data. The first one, filter. What will happen in filter? It analyzes data in the list. The list that you have made on an Excel, it analyzes the data on that list only. The next one is it will show only those records that meets the specific criteria, the criteria that will be defined by you. It will show only those records. And the third one will it hides rest of the data temporarily. The rest of the data will be hide. Now the next one is auto filter, advanced filter. Now what will happen in advanced filter? It filters the data in multiple fields using criteria. It will filter the data on multiple fields. Next one, it will show the filtered record in the same sheet or at another location. Now let's see how these two work. Filter and another one is advanced filter. How these two options of Microsoft Excel works. Let's see it. So students, I am here with my Excel sheet. I am having records with me. Now when I am talking about my records over here, look, it is having a field name of date, religion, sales representative, vehicle and price. Now if I want to filter the data, now what will do, I will go to data and there is a sign of filter. I will click on it and there will be the drop down arrows with all the fields. Now on the which field I want to do filter, I can do it. If I want to remove this filter, I have to again click on it and it will be removed. Now there is a shortcut key. The shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus L. Controls plus Shift plus L. Let's see. I'll click anywhere in this list. Then I'll press Control plus Shift plus L. Now you can see again these drop down arrows. From here I will select the criteria. If I want to remove it, again I have to press Control Shift plus L. Control Shift plus L. Okay. Another one is press Alt key, then press A and then press T. Okay. Again select on any of the cell, click any on the cell of the these records. Now again press Alt, press A, press T. Now you can again see these drop down arrows. So this is the way we can do it. If I want to remove it, again I have to do press. Now I can remove it by pressing on it, or another way is press Alt, press Alt, A and T. It will be removed. Now we'll start with the filter. Filter. I'll select any of the cell of these records. Then I'll click on filter. Vehicle. It has selected a lot of options that I have entered. So I removed all the vehicles and I'll keep only Mahindra, and it will show only the Mahindra. Is it clear? Let's see on the next one. Okay, filter here, text filter. I'm going to go do it a text filter, and I'll select begins with M, begins with M. Okay, now it will show all the vehicles which are starting with M. But let's see on the next sheet. Here, filter, I'll select text filter, begins with M and or ends with, I have to write ends, E and ends with I, or ends with I will tell you the difference between and or. Okay, now it will show all the vehicles started with M, Mahindra, and the and word is A and I. Now what will happen, what I did, go to the text field, custom filter, I have selected or. If I selected and, means both the conditions should be satisfied, or means you are having a choice. Now let's see. Okay, now it will show only Maruti, Is it clear? Let's go see another thing. Now overprice, filter, price, number filter, greater than 7 lakh. Only the vehicles which are greater than 7 lakh. Or number filter, we can say less than, again 7 lakh. All the vehicles which are less than 7 vehicles, 7 lakh, we can clear it. Filter. Now text filter, begins with E. Okay, no, why? Custom ends with E. Let's see, custom filter ends with A, no, H. Okay, north, south. Clear? So students, on 4 sheets I have told you the different ways of filter. I hope you are able to understand this topic, filter. Now in next video I am going to tell you about auto filter. Have a nice day. Jai Hind.